Okay, so I ordered a heat press. Unfortunately, I already opened it because we were really excited. So there's no like unboxing, but I'll show you what it came in. It was pretty heavy duty wrapped, so that's nice. It wasn't damaged at all. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. All right, so this is the heat press. It's a 15 by 15. I haven't plugged it in or anything yet. I haven't used it. I did open it up just to see. It seems really heavy duty, which that's what I was looking for. Like, I guess there's a little bit of wiggle here, but I think I can tighten it with this. I'm not really sure. I haven't messed with it at all. What kind of freaked me out is like when I opened it for the first time, this mat was stuck to the top and I was like, what the heck? Like, where's the bottom piece? Anyways, I just kind of like peeled off the top here. And yeah, it's just like a big rubber mat piece. Interesting. One thing I really liked about this heat press is that it's got the freaking slide out. This is something that I really wanted to have in a heat press. I was looking at ones on Amazon. They don't really have great reviews. Another thing is like on the Amazon ones, you can see the springs in here and you can kind of see these. This slides really nicely. I guess you don't have to bolt it down. I was thinking that we were gonna have to bolt it down, but I guess you don't have to. That's kind of odd. I thought you would bolt down a heat press for sure. Maybe I can figure out a way to bolt it down, or maybe I don't need to. I haven't used it yet, so we'll see. The shipping was really fast. I already ordered some heat press vinyl, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I try that for the first time too. This is what I ordered. I ordered this off of Amazon, but I got like a bunch of colors. It looks really nice. I don't know, I've never tried this stuff, so we'll see. What I'm gonna be using to cut the heat press vinyl is just a Cricut. I'm gonna plug this thing in. I'm gonna figure out what to cut real quick and then heat press for the first time. Another thing I forgot to mention is it comes with this user guide, which I've already opened. I think I'm just gonna pick like a super basic design just to try it out. I'm gonna use a green. Look how pretty the green is. Got these just like pieces of material that I've cut off for like crop tops, so I'm gonna practice on this first. Alright, let's peel this off. So obviously it didn't stick very well. So it probably looks pretty good on the camera, but if you get closer up to it, it's not really sticking all the way. And this might actually just be the vinyl that I got, because I did get the vinyl off of Amazon, so. I just cut out a few of these, and I did it in pink this time. Okay, here we go. I mean, it took me a couple tries to get it down, but I think the pressure just wasn't enough. I had more pressure added, and with the more pressure, I tried to pull up on it, and it just kind of like pulled the whole machine up, which is probably not a good thing. So I do think that it needs to be bolted down to the table. And this one was only $530 or $540, something like that, and then shipping and handling was like $50, I think. I'm excited to have it. Thank you guys for watching.